Nourishing the body and mind, a mindful eating practice. Begin by selecting a meal or snack that you will be eating mindfully. Choose a quiet and comfortable place to eat, free from distractions and interruptions. Take a moment to observe your food. Notice the colors, textures, and aromas. Appreciate the nourishment it will provide for your body. Take a few deep breaths, and bring your attention to the present moment. Let go of any thoughts or distractions, and focus on the experience of eating. Take a small bite of your food, and chew slowly and deliberately. Notice the taste, texture, and sensation of the food in your mouth. Pay attention to how your body responds to the food. As you continue to eat, focus on each bite and the sensations it brings. Take time to savor and appreciate each bite, and allow yourself to fully experience the food. If your mind begins to wander, gently bring your attention back to the present moment and the experience of eating. Use your breath as an anchor to help you stay present. When you have finished your meal or snack, take a moment to reflect on the experience. Notice any changes in your body or mind, and appreciate the nourishment you have provided for yourself. Incorporating mindfulness into your eating habits can help promote a sense of appreciation for the food you eat, as well as enhance your mind-body awareness and overall well-being. By taking the time to fully experience and savor your food, you can deepen your connection to the present moment and the nourishment it provides. Share your thoughts and spread the word by sharing and liking the video.